It's been years that I haven't go here. From 2021 to 2022. I really want Teresa. Let's go to the Teresa tree. Let's march. March with me at home. March, or you're going. March backwards with me. March. Follow me. March. I remember this place. When I was school here and then it's lunchtime, I ate my lunch right there. But now there's leaves all over it. But a year apart. We're almost there. Another hill. I'm gonna play there. Down the hill, down the hill. It's your turn, viewer. Because we're almost at the sunset.
Dua iti bunga, bihaw.
Huh?
Dua iti bunga.
No, this way. Playtime.
Careful.
We reach our destiny.
Destiny. Waay kita na, baby. Waay, kita mo dyan na. May mga ano dyan. Dali dyan pala. Waay, puro ano. Waay, iti bunga. Waay, iti luto. Puro ano.
Okay, let's get back, guys. Our destiny has reached to play.
Dali.
Help me, viewers. Let's pretend that we are adventurers in the forest. And let's find some destination. But first, we gotta get a destination where there is goblins.
What's goblin?
I'm a secret, viewers. The goblins are actually the ones that came here too. Because they're gonna vlog. But actually we still follow. Run for your life! Catch, viewers, catch! Hey, get ready, viewers, catch, okay? Catch! Mommy, catch! Catch! Oh! Is that bird's nest? Wow, so many adventures. It's someone camping here. I can see some food hanging up. If you camp and don't let the animals get your food, they might get hurt. So if you just get some rope and hang your food there. Or maybe someone's camping here. Or maybe they think this is a campsite. Come on. Hide. one goblin left. Where is he? Invisibility clothing! Invisibility clothing, Mama eh. Come on, viewers! Fences are settling to bed. Fun fact about this place, if we find one of the Subas here, if you walk a bit far away, you can tell that the two Subas are connecting together. Rock in the step up. Wait, viewers, let's play hide and seek. You count, and I seek. Okay, pause that video. Viewers, look, there's a dam there. It's a little hole. See? With a sign on it. Can you see it, viewers? No? Okay, I'll show you. Can you see that little hole there by the cracks, by the line side, and then it's curving? That's the one. See? Oh wait, oh, I think it is. Oh, that's the one. Can you see the black hole there? That's the one. The only crack in the ground. Maybe that was formed by an earthquake from 2,000 years ago. Maybe. Just 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 maybe. Come on. Viewers, can you hear the sound of that? It's so good, right? The river sounds like beauty. See that little baby. Oh, sorry to disturb, but I fell asleep from that good song ago. I still fall asleep. I need an earplug. Come on, viewers, get out of here before I sleep again. Okay, come on. Viewers, let's skip to a tootie. Skip a toot, skip. You need to skip, Mama. Skip, ikaw wala. Skip a toot. Skip a toot. Skip, skip. You skip also. Skip, skip. Skip, skip. Skip, skip. Skip, skip. Skip, skip, skip. Scoop, 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 scoop. Skip, 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 skip. Okay, viewers. Look, skies of heaven. Let's skip a tooth. Skip a tooth. Like a small boat in the ocean, sending big waves into motion. Like how the sun can make a heart open. I might only have one mouth, but I can make an explosion. And all those things I didn't say, wrecking balls inside my brain. I will scream them loud tonight. Can you hear my voice this time? This is my fight song. Take back my life song. Prove I'm alright song. My power's turned on. Starting right now, I'll be strong. I'll play my fight song. And I don't really care if nobody else believes. Cause I still got a lot of fight left in me. In friends and bunches, everybody's worried about me. Into deep, into deep. It's been 2 years, I miss my home. There's a fire burning in my bones. Yeah, I still believe. Yeah, I still believe. And all those things I didn't say, wrecking balls inside my brain. I will scream them loud tonight. can you hear my voice this time? This is my fight song. Take back my life song. Prove I'm alright song. My power is turned on. Starting right now, I'll be strong. I'll play my fight song. And I don't really care if nobody else believes. Cause I still got a lot of fight left in me. What? Still got a lot of fight left in me. Oh, I forgot about the other birds. I quit this. Dragonfly, dragonfly, where are you? Make the moonlight shine and get out the plants of you. I'm dragging them, viewers. They're moving away, so I want them to go. Go away. See? Okay. Let's work. Let's work. Work. Come on, viewers. Let's pretend we're bunnies. Bunny. Viewers, I'm too tired to play this now. But if you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe. And share this to your friends. And then also share it to Facebook. And see our videos in Instagram.com and Twitter. Bye!
You have an Instagram and Twitter?
Viewers, I was just kidding. I want to be like the other videos. But how did they eat it so fast? And they eat it so good like Dr. Binox? How? How did they do that?